Welcome back to our channel KPL Learning. A famous mathematician, Paul Holmes, had once said, the best way to teach is to do and the worst way is to talk. Well, we at KPL strive to make our classrooms mini labs where the learning happens by doing and not by talking. KPL Learning has always been a pioneer in researching and developing experiential learning tools, which are wonderful for the teachers to teach and absolutely amazing for the students to explore themselves in the classes. Today, in this video, I am going to talk about one such amazing KPL learning tool called the calendar board. Let me tell you that this calendar board is not a normal calendar board. It's a very special calendar board. Instead of just being a wall hanging in the classroom, it is actually a very interactive board where the students, the teachers can all together work on this calendar board. I'm going to apprise you of all the parts of this calendar board so that you know what an amazing product this is. I have already set up this calendar according to the month of August. Let me show you how the calendar board looks like when it's not set up. This calendar board is a very sturdy board. It has a metallic frame with rounded corners. The background is flannel and it has pockets. These pockets are used for the cards from the user set. So now let us together set up this calendar board. Let us say, suppose the month of August is going on. So we start by checking out the month cards. January, February, March and up till December. We have all the 12 month cards here. Since we are going to do August, the child is going to find out August. Once the children have found out August, they're going to place this card here, which is meant for the month. After the month card is set, we go to the day cards. We have 7-day cards, starting with Monday, then we have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. I just wanted to mention that on one side we have the complete word Monday, on the flip side we have the short form so that the child doesn't feel confused while looking at the practical calendars of the world. And now the children are going to place these day cards in the pockets meant for the days. So now the month is set and the days are set in the respective pockets. One very interesting thing to see here is this day card, Sunday, is red in color because in all the calendars that we see, Sunday is always red in color because it is an off day. This helps the child to understand that on this day there is no classwork, there are no activities to be planned because calendar is all about planning. So now the month card is done, the day cards are set. We move on to the date cards. Let me show you the date cards. These are the date cards we have from 1 to 31. I just wanted to show you the date cards, how amazing they are. They are beautifully printed and they have a lovely design. They are very sturdy because the children are going to use them in the class. So now I'm going to place the date cards starting with day 1. I have also checked from the calendar that day 1 was on Monday. So starting from day 1, under Monday, I will go to the next dates. It will be easy now because the dates are all arranged in order and the children are going to place all the dates in the pockets. So date 2 here, date 3. In the same way, we are going to arrange all the dates and complete the setting up of the calendar date wise. So that's how the calendar would look when it is set date wise. I would also like to talk about 2 dates, 30 and 31. Well, here you can always discuss this with the children that there are some months which have 30 days and there are some months which have 31 days. And yes, we have also given one extra card in case you lose it. Now I'm going to show you how this calendar board is a very special one. And we have special cards for these two pockets. These are the seasons card. In India, generally we have 5 seasons. We have summer season, we have monsoon season, we have spring season, then we have autumn, we have winter. Now these are the season cards which have to be placed on the extreme right side of the board in this pocket. Since August is a month when it is monsoon season going on, so the children are going to find out the monsoon card and place the card here. Also, for this side, we have beautiful weather cards. There are 6 weather cards: pleasant, windy, sunny, cloudy, stormy, rainy. So let's say, though of course it is monsoon season going on, but the weather today is very pleasant. The children are going to find out the card for pleasant weather and they are going to place it here. Maybe tomorrow it is not so pleasant. It is quite windy. So the children are going to change this card and place this card. So now the calendar board looks set, but not really. We still have more cards which I am going to show you just now. These are holiday cards. Days when the school is off for a holiday, or maybe the school has to plan for a particular occasion. We have Mahavir Jayanti, Guru Nanak Jayanti, Happy Eid, Mahashivratri, Happy Earth Day, and a few others. In all, these are 25 cards. So looking into the month of August, we are going to see which are special days in August, which are the holidays in August. The very first thought that comes in mind is 15th August. So we are going to take the Independence Day card from this lot and we are going to place it on the 15th. Here, I have the Independence Day card and I will place it here. Instead of putting 15th of August, the teacher can also ask the children to place Independence Day card here. Just by looking at the calendar every day, the child knows that this 15th of August is celebrated as the Independence Day. In the same way, 11th was Raksha Bandhan. So the students have to pick up this card and place it instead of 11th. In the month of August, 19th was Janmashtami. So the children have to just place, instead of 19th, Janmashtami card. The children, the teachers can all plan their activities accordingly. After the holiday cards, there is one card that has to have a special mention, and that is the leap year. This card is specially made to explain the concept of leap year to the children. The teacher can talk about the leap year, when does leap year happen, or the topic she wants to cover under the leap year depending upon the age of the child. So it looks like we are all done. But wait, we are not done as yet. We have these special cards, and these cards are today, tomorrow, yesterday, day before yesterday, and day after tomorrow. Let's say 25th. So this card, which is today, will come here. Yesterday will be 24th. Day before yesterday will be 23rd. Tomorrow will be 26th. And day after tomorrow will be 27th. So finally, our calendar is set. There are so many ways a teacher can use these cards in the classes. The most important activity of this calendar board is setting up of the calendar board. While doing so, the children learn so much, starting from the very junior sections, the pre-scholars or the primary sections. The children learn about the spellings, they learn about the months, they learn about the dates. It is not just a rote learning, it is doing practically. It is making a calendar practically in the class with their own hands. Experiential learning. Keeping the age group of the children in mind, she can plan her science lessons or maybe social studies lessons. There are so many interrelated topics where the teacher can speak about seasons. Why seasons occur? Which are the 5 seasons? Which months have which season? So you can refer to this table that I am putting on the screen for the months which have corresponding seasons. Being a maths teacher, how can I forget that maths can be done using this calendar? This is a framework of numbers from 1 to 31. Again, depending upon the age group of the children, she can talk about what comes before, what comes after, what comes between. Using this calendar, she can also do word problems in the class. She can at least start with the word problems, which is a huge problem with the children. While setting up the board, the children also learn how to read the calendar, how to write dates. For example, 24/08/2022. They would learn how to read this date. Or maybe you can ask them to write the date 18. Looking at the calendar, they will then write 18/January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, 8 and 2022. This is how they learn the writing and also the decoding of the dates. Calendar is all about planning, pre-planning and time management. This is a wonderful way to teach your children time management and how to plan their activities so that they are well on time. So wrapping up the discussion and coming back to the same quote of the famous mathematician Paul Holmas, that the best way to teach is to do and the worst way to teach is to talk. I believe the calendar board has proved to be one such experiential learning tool which makes the classes absolutely wonderful because it does all the doing and less of the talking. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Also, please stay tuned for another video from KPL on another experiential learning tool. And yes, if you have any queries, please do log into our website www.kpllearning.com. Thank you for watching. This is your host Kaval Barara signing off.